Hello, hello, hello. And I think Komal said it right that we all walking in these red jumpers is like an overkill. I like that joke. It was funny. Komal hitting it out of the park. Thank you for coming. Thank you for being here with us today. Welcome to the trailer launch event of a very special film to us, Kill. We are so thrilled and absolutely excited to be sharing the world of Kill with you, all of you, finally. Let's rewind and take a look at where this journey began.
2020 is when our prolific director, Nikhil Nagesh Bhatt, began writing the script. It was during COVID times, inspired by true stories of dacoits invading trains in India to loot cash and jewelry. Fast forward to shoot, taking place right after the lockdown got lifted, and leading to Dharma and Sikhya coming together again for another adventure post our last stint, which was the Lunchbox.
Yes, 11 years ago.
Yes.
Kill is the first of its kind genre film for the Indian film fraternity, often dubbed as the most violent film made in India by those who experienced it at various film festivals. The direction and production team heavily invested in ensuring the film delivers an action-packed, close combat train ride, hoping to make each action sequence more claustrophobic and more captivating than the last.
The film premiered at the Toronto International Film Festival at the midnight section in September 2013. And there we won the People's Choice Award, and the film opened to rave reviews across the board. Along with that, we premiered at the Fantastic Film Festival, Beyond Fest, Sitges, Red Sea International Film Festival, basically all the genre film festivals. And we are actually premiering at Tribeca International Film Festival, and our premiere is tomorrow. We are in New York, so we literally go there tonight. And followed by IFLA at Los Angeles.
In addition to that, it garnered rave reviews. Please allow Guneet and me to share a few to show you just how unprepared you might be to witness what you will today. Variety commented saying, even John Wick gives you some respite. This is relentless.
This is destined to become a cult classic by Collider.
A new landmark in action cinema by The Film Stage.
And not to forget, in our back home, our very own friend Anurag Kashyap, he said that Kill has raised the bar very high for action films in India, and it's the best action film he has seen coming from India ever.
And many more from the audiences who sat, witnessed and relished the pure gore that was unleashed in this 100-minute of a film. Kill is one of the first Indian films to have the widest release in North America, with over 1,000 screens by the prestigious and renowned studio Lionsgate, providing an unprecedented screen distribution beyond that were allotted to major action flicks from India. A film of this scale is not just releasing in North America, but also around the world, from the Middle East to Japan, from America to Australia, Russia, Azerbaijan, Saudi Arabia, Latin America, Mexico, and many more European countries.
So for our US rights were acquired by Lionsgate. Lionsgate is known as the house as a house for some of the best action films, from John Wick to Finland's breakout Sisu. Kill from India happens to be their latest addition to their massive, incredible library of action films. While you'll meet the cast and few faces behind the film, truly this has been an army that has come together to achieve what we have today known as Kill, and we would like to extend our warmest gratitude and love to all their hard work.
And including notable members of the crew such as Mr. O, known for his action direction. And prolific in everything that he has achieved in his illustrious career, known for his action direction for landmark films such as The Avengers, Snowpiercer, Our Very Own War, and many more. We're extremely delighted that he could join us today to witness our trailer launch. This is so special to all of us, and I'm sure to the actors who worked under his baton.
Now I'll just give you some fun facts. So here is just one for the team, for everybody here. The kill count in the screenplay is exceeding 40, which is a rarity for a film that is based in a compact and a restricted setting such as a train. The production required close to 150 liters of fake blood to accommodate all the intense action. Definitely, this film has been made with a lot of blood and sweat.
Honestly, I mean, for all of you who are used to who have seen my trajectory as a filmmaker, where the only action I've had in my film has been a tight slap, this is really, truly a very, very different experience. I remember covering my eyes every time there was a kill on the screen, but I let the audience decide just how gory we can get. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for bearing with us and hearing us through our journey of Kill. And now we're absolutely ready to show the world that today it's a worldwide launch of our trailer, of our film Kill, that releases in North America on the 4th of July and in India on the 5th of July.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Vineet. Thank you, Karan sir. Yes, it's time to take a look at the trailer now, ladies and gentlemen. All eyes on the big screen now. Make some noise, yeah. Please, the stage is all yours. Karan sir, please. I think that's it, right? That's it?
No.
No? No? Okay.
I'll take that from you, if I may.
Please, sir. Please, all yours.
So like Guneet and I came on stage. Please come, let everyone come. Guneet and I still remember the meeting we had at the Dharma office right next door actually, where there was Nikhil, this bright maverick filmmaker who looks so shant that you don't know what the hell must be going on in that head, because he looks like ये बिल्कुल एकदम इनकी जो पर्सनैलिटी ऐसा लगता है कि ये मक्खी भी नहीं मार पाएंगे, लेकिन ये पिक्चर बना रखी है इनके जहन में, ख्याल में ऐसे ख्याल आते हैं, खून भरे ख्याल. So I would say that was itself something that blew my mind, because I saw the contrast. He gave me such a zen narration of this manic bloodbath, and I was like, Bhagwan bachao, ये picture Dharma production ने तो कभी नहीं बनाई. I think we haven't made something this bloody ever. But I was just bowled over by his narration, his conviction, and his passion in which he narrated it. Guneet has been a dear friend, and we made a collaborated on a totally different film. Lunchbox is probably the opposite of Kill. It's full of love and just subtle nuanced moments. But I remember that day, and it was something that I will always remember. And the fact that this film, and I have to thank Apurva, who allowed me to actually say, let's go ahead, let's make this ambitious film on a first-time actor. Who is, I'm going to say it loud, an outsider. If you don't, it's your trumpet. If you don't blow it, who else will? So I'm just in his Naksha Kadam, I'm kind of taking things forward. I've heard a lot and I've endured it also over the years, but I want to say that the biggest film that we have mounted on one newcomer has been Kill, and we're very excited and proud because we saw the passion in him, we saw the immense hard work that he was going to put in. And so we're very proud of you, Laksh. You're here. I'm going to call all of you together, but I just wanted to say that we're very excited to have actually taken this big step. And at that time, it was really because this film wasn't funded by any other studio. It was entirely backed by Dharma Productions, and we decided that we must take this leap because we would love if the industry got one potential movie star. We say potential because we are with folded hands hoping and praying that the best outcome happens on the 5th of July. We then had the most unusual antagonist casting. I've known Raghav since his foray with reality television. For people who have known my career, I've probably spent more hours on a reality show set than I have on a film set. But I've always seen him kind of lead the way with such finesse. And then for him to play this, which is so against what he has done on television and on screen, it was a massive, and kudos to actually Nikhil, who actually really supported the vision to cast Raghav in such an against his own image casting. And we, of course, needed an absolute beauty with immense vulnerability. And I loved everything that Tanya had done in Suitable Boy and everything she's done subsequently. And we just thought that this would be the perfect, I'm going to call it a triangle, though when you see the film, it's certainly not. But hi, Umar, how are you? Long time. So I'm really happy and I'm very proud. Both Guneet and I, Apurva and Achin and Nikhil and Anil, all of us on this platform are very proud to introduce to you the cast of Kill. Laksh, Raghav, and Tanya.
Welcome, Laksh. Raghav, Tanya, welcome.
Hi, Peter.
Alright, so I know we have a lot of questions, लेकिन उससे पहले लक्ष्य quickly, इंडस्ट्री में जो आना चाहता है उसका लक्ष्य होता है धर्मा, और यहाँ पे आते ही the ball is out of the park. You're working with Karan Johar, you're working with Guneet Mumbai, and this amazing crew here. What do you have to say?
Firstly, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. I've expressed my gratitude to both of them in person as well. My legs are still trembling, sorry. I'm still a little nervous to see so many people on the trailer.
क्या बात है, बच्चा भी किल देख
के काफी enjoy किया है, it seems like. But it's been 9 साल हो गए मेरे को बॉम्बे आए हुए, और मेरा सपना था कि एक दिन फिल्म स्टार बनूंगा और धर्मा के साथ बनूंगा. तो 9 साल लगे उस चीज को होते होते, लेकिन वो एक दिन आ ही गया. And thank you so much to Karan sir, Apurva sir, and the whole of Dharma for always standing by me, always supporting me. I've had quite a journey in Dharma itself. So throughout they were with me, and also like Guneet ma'am, back in when Lunchbox came out for the first time, मैंने उनको DM किया था Instagram के ऊपर, मुझे याद है अच्छे से कि मैम अगर हो सके तो कुछ मौका मिलेगा तो मैं काम करना चाहूँगा आपके साथ एक ना एक दिन, because it was such a fantastic film these guys made. उसके बाद it all happened यार, सब कुछ हो गया, अच्छा हो गया, और शब्द नहीं है मेरे पास, मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ गाने, लेकिन मैं बोल नहीं पा रहा हूँ कुछ. शुक्रगुजार हूँ ऊपर वाले का, शुक्रगुजार हूँ सब हमारे भी लोगों का, बड़े बड़े लोगों का. और निखिल सर, of course when we met for the first time, हमारी जब पहली बार नरेशन हुई थी इस फिल्म को लेकर, तो मेरा पहला सवाल यही था कि सर इसकी शुरुआत हम कब कर सकते हैं. और मैंने कोई सवाल नहीं पूछा कि ये फिल्म में क्या है, कब है. मैंने पूछा कि मैं इस फिल्म का हिस्सा हूँ ना, हम ये कर रहे हैं ना, कह रहे हैं वो बाद में देखेंगे आपकी बात. सो रेस्ट इज हिस्ट्री, और बस यही बोल सकता हूँ.
करण सर बहुत अच्छा करते हैं जब वो बोलते हैं, तो मैं कह देता हूँ उनके behalf पे, वेलकम टू द मूवीज. Give it up for Laksh, ladies and gentlemen. The dream team. आपके कुछ सवाल थे जो पूछे थे डायरेक्टर साहब से या इस टीम से?
No, not really, because I remember auditioning for the part, and उसके बाद जब मैंने script पढ़ी थी, I was like, what is this madness? And immediately after reading the script, I was like, okay, when are we starting? So it was that. So not really any questions, but just very, very thankful to the entire team for making me a part of it.
Thank you so much for sharing that.
I have to
Yes,
say
ma'am.
that the entire action was written in the script. So it's not like ऐसे हो जाएगा वो करेंगे, because I think it went into this detailed journey of एक train के compartment में आप एक 100 minute की picture and उतना action, how to make that happen. So the entire action was written, and of course the collaboration with Mr. O took the choreography to another level, which has now become a global action film. But it is an incredible script for all of us to also read because of the action that was imagined and written and used in that
compact space. That is a huge challenge.
Thank you so much for sharing that. Raghav, this one's for you. Talk to us about this team and this entire experience. राक्षस हो क्या? मतलब फील ही आ गया होगा।
बात तो वैसे सही है। यार मैं तो बैक डांसर बनने आया था ना, तो मेरा तो सब बोनस ही बोनस चल रहा है इस वक्त। देखा जाए तो मैं आया था ट्रेन पकड़ के, मेरे को 13 साल हो गए मुझे भी। सर ने बोला कि मुझे काफी वक्त से सर जानते हैं। अच्छा वो तो मेरे साथ नेपोटिज्म वो तो मेरे साथ नेपोटिज्म हुआ है कि आप उसको जानते हैं। नहीं बट यस, मुझे मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि मैं एज एन एक्टर अपने आप को लोगों को दिखा सकूं, बता सकूं कि मैं भी हूँ और एक्ट कर सकता हूँ। हालांकि मैंने डांस भी किया है, कोरियोग्राफी भी किया है, होस्ट भी किया है। अब ये नया अनुभव है, ये बस एक अनुभव ऐसा भी। enjoying this process, ये flow में हो गई है। And thank you sir and thank you पुनीत कि and सर की आपने, निखिल सर की मुझे भरोसा किया कि मैं कर सकता हूँ और सिर्फ डांस और होस्टिंग और फिर सब के अलावा एक्टिंग भी कर सकता हूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच। बस यार यही है।
Thank you so much. जोरदार तालियां राघव के लिए। सवाल बड़े सारे, लेकिन अभी मैं यहाँ पे मौका दे देता हूँ सबको because they want to ask you a lot of things about Kill and of course this entire team. So yes, over to you. कहाँ से आ रहा है पहला सवाल? जी।
अरे बोलो।
Yes, come.
My question is to you, Rashia, sometime from Zoom. Ever since this debate has started of nepotism, और उसमें आपको एक lead role दिया गया है, and you know, you're just the one who's killing it right now, as you know, the movie states. Many a times, such a humongous, you know, contribution we don't see when a new phase is launched. What are your thoughts on that? And you're being launched as newcomer.
So to begin with, as you said that outsider, I think probably on a piece of paper you can write I'm an outsider, but I never felt like an outsider in this company. As you, I'm sure you are aware of the first film that didn't work out for me, and after that also I never felt that this company or this team has ever let go of the support they showed to me from the very beginning. And I see the amount of time and the efforts everybody has put in me, and it puts me in a little bit of position of pressure, but I mean, I can do, I'm trying my best, utterly grateful for what they've done for me, and I don't feel like an outsider, to be honest. I've always felt that they have got my back and they're always there, and when Kill also happened, like it just happened. I just got the script and they were like, you read this script, and when I read the script, and of course Nikhil also quite liked me for the part, and it all panned out pretty well for me. And when I think Apurva sir came for the first time to see what we were shooting, and when he saw some rushes, and he just came to me and he said, "Bless you, son." He said, "Bless you," and that's what he said. And I think we were halfway through the film when Karan sir came and watched the film, and I think Nikhil sir and I, we were standing outside the set, just like two kids waiting for the teacher to come out and tell us how we have done the exams. Cut to, I look at him and he's like, "Wow, what is this?" And Nikhil sir and I, we just hug each other and we're like, "Okay, we are home now. We have done something good." So yeah, that's about it.
Hello. Hi. Hi. Good evening, everyone. Yeah, fantastic trailer, killer trailer. My question, मेरा question लक्ष्य से है. लक्ष्य आप सीरियल्स में भी काम कर चुके हैं और आपकी जो ये जर्नी है बहुत इमोशनल रही होगी क्योंकि आपकी फिल्म का जो ट्रेलर है मैसिव है और आपकी ये फिल्म भी मैसिव है. तो ये जर्नी कितनी महत्वपूर्ण है, कितनी इमोशनल है आपके लिए, उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए.
जर्नी बहुत ही स्पेशल है. मुझे अभी भी यकीन नहीं हो रहा है कि ये सब हो रहा है मेरे आसपास. इट्स टू गुड टू बी ट्रू. एज यू राइटली सेड कि टीवी में मैंने 6 साल काम किया है और बहुत कुछ सीखा है टीवी से भी, बट अल्टीमेटली गोल यही था कि एक दिन फिल्मों में आना है, फिल्म स्टार बनना है. तो आज जब ये सब मुकम्मल हो गया, ये सब मेरी आंखों के सामने हो रहा है, तो थोड़ा सा लग रहा है कि यार ये हो भी रहा है. मतलब somebody should come and pinch me and tell me that wake up, it's a dream. कभी भी I think it's love you Lakshya, love you man. चलो कोई नहीं, प्यार से जो भी बुलाओ चलेगा. बट हाँ मैं बयान नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, अगर मैं शायद बहुत नया हूँ यार, मेरे को ये फीलिंग की आदत नहीं है, मुझे पता नहीं है कैसा महसूस होता है जब ऐसी कोई चीज आपके साथ हो रही होती है। आई थिंक मैं ऑलमोस्ट लाइक राइड ओवर देयर, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता कि अच्छा वो दिस इज हाउ इट फील्स लाइक इतनी बड़ी स्क्रीन पे, मतलब टीवी छोटी स्क्रीन से सीधा इतनी बड़ी स्क्रीन पे इतने सारे लोगों के सामने और सब आपको काम को पसंद कर रहे हैं, तो बहुत बड़ी फीलिंग है। मेरे पास कोई पर्टिकुलर शब्द नहीं है इसको बयान करने के लिए, लेकिन बस चाहता हूँ कि ये फीलिंग चलती रहे इसके आगे से, मतलब ये कभी जाए ना मेरे तरीके से, और ये बढ़ती रहे, कीप्स मल्टीप्लाइंग। दैट्स ऑल, थैंक यू।
Hi, Karan. Karan, I don't know how to put this. मेरा सवाल ये है कि बहुत रियलिस्टिक सेटिंग में बहुत रियलिस्टिक एक्शन लग रहा है इस फिल्म का, जैसे कि हम तमाम फिल्मों में देखते हैं, लेकिन इंडिया में और साउथ की फिल्मों में खासकर जो एक्शन होता है, दे आर ओवरडूइंग इट, लाइक जिस तरह की एक्शन सीक्वेंसेस स्पेक्टेकल वो क्रिएट करते हैं। क्या आपको लगता है कि रियलिस्टिक एक्शन को ज्यादा इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए रियलिस्टिक सेटिंग में, और क्या साउथ की फिल्मों में जिस तरह का एक्शन होता है ओवर द टॉप, उसकी वजह से बॉलीवुड फिल्में और हिंदी फिल्मों पे उतना प्रेशर है कि वो भी कुछ इस तरह का क्रिएट करें जिस तरह से वो क्रिएट कर रहे हैं?
देखिए, आपके सवाल के लिए शुक्रिया, लेकिन मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा कि मैं किसी और की फिल्म का जिक्र ना करते हुए ये कहना चाहूंगा कि ये जो हमें टिपिकली हमें एक जॉनर होता है, जो बुलाते जॉनर फिल्म होते हैं, जो बहुत सारी ये फिल्में वेस्ट में बने हैं, कोरिया से बने हैं, चाइना से बने हैं, जैसे ट्रेन टू बुसान है, या आपने देखा जॉन विक की जो सीरीज है, वो जहाँ एक्शन जो है वो भी एक आर्ट फॉर्म है। तो जब हम कहते हैं कि ये बहुत बड़ी है, बहुत वायलेंट है, तो हम ये नहीं कह रहे कि हम वायलेंस या खून खराबा को हम बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं, पर आपको दिखाना चाहते हैं कि जिस तरह वायलेंस दर्शाया गया है इस फिल्म में, इट इज नथिंग शॉर्ट ऑफ अ फॉर्म ऑफ आर्ट। जिस तरह वो कोरियोग्राफी है एक्शन की, एकदम क्लॉस्ट्रोफोबिक स्पेस में, एक नैरो से ट्रेन में आपने जो कोरियोग्राफी वहां दर्शाई है, जिस तरह आपने एक्शन को कोरियोग्राफ किया है बिटवीन निखिल्स एक्सपर्टीज राइटिंग एंड मिस्टर ओज एक्सपर्टीज इन एक्शन, तो इट्स एन आर्ट फॉर्म। तो हमने कभी नहीं सोचा कि हम रियलिस्टिकली कर रहे हैं या ओवर द टॉप कर रहे हैं या किसी और को हम एम्यूलेट कर रहे हैं, कॉपी कर रहे हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था। हम पहली बार हिंदुस्तान को ये दिखाना चाहते थे कि इस किस्म की जो कोरियोग्राफ आर्टिस्टिक एक्शन और वायलेंस है वो हम दिखा सकते हैं, और हम एज एन आर्ट फॉर्म आपको दिखा सकते हैं। तो यही हमारी तरफ से, यही प्रयास था हमारी तरफ से, और यही कोशिश थी कि हम कुछ ऐसा करें जो अलग हो। और बहुत सारी एक्शन फिल्में बनी हैं, बहुत सारा बजट वाला भी खर्चे वाली फिल्में बनती हैं, लेकिन जहां वाकई सोच विचार बिना कोई वीएफएक्स की आप काम करें, जब वाकई बहुत सारा सोच जाता है उस कोरियोग्राफी में, इसी का हमने यही कोशिश की थी, और यही चाहत है कि जब ऑडियंसेस देखेगी तो दे विल अप्रिशिएट द वर्क दैट गोज इनटू दिस कोरियोग्राफी ऑफ एक्शन।
एंड इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, कुछ महीने या कुछ हफ्ते पहले आपने भी सोशल मीडिया पे डाला था कि आप एक एक्शन फिल्म डायरेक्ट करने वाले हैं, कुछ बताना चाहेंगे उसके बारे में?
जी नहीं।
Hi, right at the center. There you go. Hi, this is Kunal from IW Buzz. My question is for Raghav. I'm one of those people who पूरी तरह से follow किया था जब film had its premiere and the reviews were coming in, and there were multiple reviews which were talking about how Raghav has killed it, so to speak, because I mean yeah, how they were talking about he's so good and everything. मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे ये है कि सब आप हंसाते हैं, you have this, it's very inherent to you, it's very natural to you, लेकिन जब आप इस तरह की चीजें करते हैं और उसको इतने रिव्यूज मिलते हैं, अंदर से ये फील होता है कि नहीं भाई अब मैं हंसा सकता हूँ, मैं डरा भी सकता हूँ, and that's the kind of light you want to show to other directors, not just in terms of versatility but to show कि नहीं भाई मैं बहुत सारी चीजें कर सकता हूँ, और that's the kind of moment you wait for.
Yes. मतलब ये है कि यार स्टीरियोटाइप से बहुत बचते रहता हूँ लाइफ में, मेरी बड़ी, और मैं बहुत जल्दी बोर हो जाता हूँ किसी भी चीज से। मुझे मतलब ऐसा है कि मैं अगर एक चीज कर रहा हूँ और जैसे मैंने डांस किया, बहुत स्टेज किया, तो मेरे लिए बड़ा मोनोटोनस कुछ चीज हो जाती है जब, तो मैं हट जाता हूँ उस चीज से। मेरी आदत है, नहीं बुरी आदत है कि सही आदत है, बट उस वजह से मुझे ये है कि मैं अलग अलग चीजें और अलग अलग रिस्क ले सकता हूँ अपनी लाइफ में। मुझे अच्छा लगता है नए नए रिस्क, सोशल, क्रिएटिव, फिजिकल, हर टाइप के। तो इसीलिए मैं कुछ नई नई डिस्कवरीज होती रहती है, और मैं ये कोशिश करूंगा कि अब मैं ऑब्वियसली कॉमेडी, आई हैव सीन मी डूइंग कॉमेडी, यस, अब मैं विलन बन रहा हूं तो उनकी बखूबी निभाऊं। और बिल्कुल मैं बाकी डायरेक्टर्स को भी कहना चाहूंगा, मैं सब कर सकता हूँ, मैं राम बन सकता हूँ, रावण बन सकता हूँ, पत्थर बन सकता हूँ जो तैरता है, हर चीज कर सकता हूँ। I'm ready for like everything, okay? Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Irfan, right? Yeah, Rohit from Bollywood Drama. My question is to Karan and Apurva. What gave you the confidence to release this as a theatrical? It's a great one to release in the theaters. Well, because you all also make direct on OTT also, and also to the director. If this was direct on OTT, would you put more violence and more scenes? And what was the reaction of the censor board?
I think I've poured everything. So वो अभी OTT में जाता है या theater में? I think it's the same.
I actually just wanted to add here. When Nikhil started this journey, the first thing he said was कि बहुत सारी action films बनती हैं, but एक emotional action film बनाएंगे. And somewhere, Komal sir picked it up today, and he just said that little bit. But that was actually हमारा ambition to root the emotions so deep that you go on a journey with us, because you don't leave the train on this film. So you have to be on this journey. The reasons for that. So this is an emotional action film from our language. Rest, of course, the audience will tell us.
Yeah, I guess I just want to add one. I feel action is just a byproduct of emotion. This rooted stories in the road.
Slow आ जाएगा.
Then we are all quite safe.
Apurva.
So I think I have to say that we get planning that this is very plan, how to get our cards and how to do that scene, doing the plan next year. Those conversations that are all being pre-empted were very intense scenes, but I think the censor board really saw the film for what it was. I think they loved the emotional strength of the film, and we didn't have any cuts at all. They said the film is good to go the way it is. So it's really a huge validation for the incredible writing by Nikhil and the direction by Dan by him. That it really sucked everyone to sucked them in so well. The film worked overall.
And yeah, exactly, and I endorse exactly what Abdullah said. Full respect to the censor board who saw the film as a genre film. There was literally one or two very minor, not even cuts. They were all visual alterations, which we don't want to review right now. But there was literally no cut. And I think they really respected the fact that the intent was not to glorify, was certainly not to kind of just titillate and shock, but to tell an absolutely volatile, emotional, violent story. That was violent not because of just the blood, but the inherent nature of the characters and the antagonists and where they, and how they operate emotionally from, and therefore the retaliation of the protagonist. So it was really very thought through, and I think that, as I said, I walked out completely blown when we got no cut, and so glad that our country can experience this film the way the West already has.
Thank you.
And I just wanted to add here something that you said about theatrical and OTT, because we did at Toronto, and I just want to share what happened there, because this film is an experience. This is not about. This film is a journey, it's an experience for everybody. So it needed to be a theatrical experience, and we always wanted to do that. And making films in cinema is, of course, a huge feat and a huge step ahead. But what happened in Toronto was also surreal and magical. We were at the midnight section that started at 12 in the night. So रात को 12 बजे हमारा premiere start हुआ था, and we were programmed for a midnight section, where genre films program. And towards it, there was a certain point in the film जहाँ वो 2000 लोग in the theater started screaming the name of the film back to the screen. They started screaming, "Kill!" Imagine 2,000 people, So literally the film, people were sucked in with the emotion, and they were, with it. And that moment, we knew that this is what we all intended to do as a theatrical experience, the value of community watching. So Kill today is a worldwide theatrical film. Not only just in India. We started a presentation with where Karan did share that in the US it's more than 1,000 cinemas on 4th of July, which is their biggest weekend, and 5th of July is coming to India with Anil sir. So today we stand here to bring to you a global theatrical movie.
Unique state. This is phenomenon from first post.
So you brought the Oscars to India for The Elephant Whisperers, and the kind of response Kill has brought globally. Would you like history to kill it again?
Absolutely. See, this is a genre film. So, this comes in the league of Raid and, Old Boy and Train to Busan. I'm only building a huge list. But that is the ambition, So, एक genre film यहाँ पर ऐसे कभी हुई नहीं है. So we do action and we do so many things. But like Karan said, that this is an art, to hold people for that long in a cinema, on a journey. So, the ambition of this is a worldwide release, a worldwide box office release. We can never plan awards. We can never plan the final result. अभी हमें नहीं पता. We are in front of you releasing our trailer. But आगे जो लिखा, हमारा काम मेहनत करने का है. रहमत का काम किसी और के हाथ पर है. तो वो ऑस्कर रहमत ही था. बस पूरी शिद्दत से मेहनत करते हैं और करते रहते हैं. I'm actually Arjun and I both at Sikya are very, very, very grateful to Apurva and Karan from Dharma because this is a vision to buy in. Action is not like it's not drama. It's a big budget. It's high stakes. So to be on this journey, to have like this incredible support, and then to go to Toronto, and then to do what we did, and then to land a Lionsgate. This is the first Indian film to have this journey. We have around 25 distributors around the world. So we've sold Azerbaijan to Japan to Australia to every little territory. So this is the first time that something like this is happening. Bought an all Indian film. Even Lunchbox was a co-production with the West. It happened a little bit at Lunchbox, but here it is, being treated as like a 10x of that. So we're very, very excited with what comes ahead of us globally. हर टेरिटरी में अलग-अलग डेट पे रिलीज हो रहा है. हर टेरिटरी के अलग-अलग एक्सपीरियंस होगा, उनके रिव्यूज होंगे, उनके डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स वहाँ पे स्क्रीनिंग चल रही है. वहाँ पे आज ट्रेलर लॉन्च एट द सेम टाइम हो रहा है. LA and this. Even when you see our trailers, there's a trailer on Dharma Productions YouTube, and then there's a trailer on Lionsgate YouTube. And that is quite a feat for us. So there is the same जो our anchor said that कि आपका हमारा जो teaser आया था आपका बहुत मंगलमय रहे. The same thing is in English in the Lionsgate YouTube channel if you see. So each version has. So this is the first time one is doing this with a film with a new cast, and because the hero of this film is what everybody is really doing together. So it's really on to you guys now.
Thank you. Hello. Hi, Kanchi. My question is to Apurv sir. Dharma and Sikya Entertainment are known for their romantic comedy, drama, slice of films, But what prompted this shift to produce a gruesome film like, Kill? What prompted you to do this?
I think as a production house, you always you believe in we believe in putting out different kind of content and entertaining diverse audiences. Action films, as you all know, are growing in popularity, and especially the masses, right from top north to bottom south. So for us, it really was this big opportunity, and thank you, Puneet and Arjun and everyone at Sikya for bringing this script to us. Really, it was a huge opportunity for us to take this genre to an entirely new level, and I have to add that we're extremely proud of what we're doing because I don't think anybody's made something like this before, and it's for right from the performance by the actors Laksh, Raghav, Tanya to the nail-biting action, it is a bloody good ride. So we are pleased in Jordan Theatres, and we are really excited about this one.
I will just add here saying that Dharma is a company that believes in people. So they put a lot of faith, they double down on people. So this is a testimony of that. All of us are here because they believed in each other.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll take two more questions, right?
Karan sir.
Okay.
You are right.
Yes.
सर मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि आपने टैक्स स्लैब की बात की तो फर्क से जहन में मेरे वो जो कंगना रनौत वाले इंसिडेंट थे वो याद आ गया तो इस पर आपके क्या रिएक्शन? क्या बात है?
देखिए, I do not support or condone any form of violence, verbal or physical.
Thank you. Yeah, lovely.
Abhira from NTV. Nikhil and Karan, both of you, what did you see in Laksh that you were convinced that he is the guy? Because We have so many actors today. What was that one thing that we're convinced that is the one? Okay.
As a filmmaker, I think it's very important for you really to hone your instinct. That's all you really have as a strong missile device, a support system. You have an instinct. There's nothing. Everything I've ever done in my career, right or wrong, you know, any of those have always been born out of an instinct. There have been filmmakers who have walked in, you know, and done like literally a 5-minute like narration, and in 5 minutes I have known whether I will make this film or not. I just gone on the vibe, and there have been multiple filmmakers where it was Ayan Mukherjee, or it was Shashank Khaitan, it was Shakun Batra, it was, you know, it was Raj Mehta, it was Sharan Sharma, it was so many, and I'm mentioning just a few. We've introduced over 25 debut filmmakers and about 7 to 8 lead actors. It's always been on instinct. With Laksh, it was just that. When I saw his audition, it was immediately, like in 2 minutes, I knew that we are going to do something solid and special with him. There was nothing. I had not seen anything of his on TV. I hadn't seen the show that was immensely liked that he had done. 2.5-minute audition. And on that 2.5-minute audition, I was like, we have to cast him. And that was it. So it was just an instinct. And I remember feeling that instinct when I even auditioned Alia. It was literally when we auditioned her in 2011, when we were casting for Student of the Year. Again, I met her, it was a meeting. In 2 minutes, I knew I'm going to cast her Student of the Year. That audition was just a formality because I'd already spent time chatting with her. I hadn't met Laksh. And literally, we shot her that evening, and it was the same thing. It was just from your heart, there comes an inner voice that tells you, yes, this is it. And that's exactly what happened with Laksh.
मैं भी लक्ष्य के लिए कुछ कहना चाहूँगा अभी। मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा, बहुत सालों से एक्शन देखते हैं और हमारे बहुत फिजिकली एक्शन होता है हर जगह। कुछ टाइम से मैं फिल्म देखता हूँ, इसमें सब उछल भी जाते हैं, टांगे भी खोलते हैं, सब होता है। बट कुछ इनर लाइफ ही ब्रिंग समथिंग पर्सनल जो आंखों में आता है। इसकी एक्शन तो मार-धाड़ सभी कर रहे हैं, बट बहुत समय बाद मैंने किसी का एक्शन देखा जिसमें यू आर इमोशनली कनेक्टेड टू हिम व्हाइल ही इज डूइंग द एक्शन, और वो सब आंखों में दिखता है इसकी। तो ये टैलेंट मुझे नहीं लगता है कि अभी तक मुझे नहीं लगता। मैं बिल्कुल बच्चन साहब को देखा वो करते हुए कि वो आंखों में लाते थे, बट यस मुझे यार आई लव हिम। एंड आप जब देखेंगे आप सीट पकड़ लेंगे तो ये करता है यार, ये बहुत खतरनाक करता है यार भाई। एक्शन के मामले में तो यार यू आर सामने वाला एक्टर की हेल्प करता है इतनी ही। अगर ये ऐसे नहीं करता सामने वाला भी मतलब फट हो जाता है एकदम।
चलेगा, ठीक है, सब सही है। ओके, चलो नितिन भाई, थैंक यू। नितिन भाई, तो मैडम को क्वेश्चन पूछो यार।
Laksh for the first time. So there was a certain vulnerability in him, and for Amrit was the most
अरे नहीं, बेचारी तो नहीं
is that there's a certain quality in him जिसके कारण वो शायद नारियल बाहर से सख्त अंदर से मुलायम। So he's all hard from inside. And from outside, of course, you've seen what he can do. He can do wonders. And the kind of dedication he has. Oh my goodness. He, for almost 8 months, he trained. And he was there on every day. And he trained for almost 5 hours to 6 hours a day. And he was there every time. And that's also the reason why what Raghav is saying, that he used to teach the rest of the cast. Because he just took it in. ये सारा मतलब मेरे ख्याल से मिस्टर ओ ने जो सिखाया होगा उसमें से 75% लक्ष्य ने दिया। So it's just phenomenal.
चलो टाइम हो गया। Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
फोटो।
अरे वाह।
Hi, this is Prisha Vyas from Bollywood Helpline.
अरे कौन है भाई?
My question is to Karan sir, Nikhil sir, and Puneet ma'am. राइटर्स को ऑफन उतनी क्रेडिट नहीं दी जाती जितनी होनी चाहिए। तो इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में द व्हाट डज हाउ मच रोल डज द राइटर प्ले क्या रिपोर्टर बनेंगे मेकिंग द कंटेंट किंग?
Actually, content is king because the writer is the emperor. And it's as simple as that. The whole soul and entire structure of a film is born from a writer. If the writer is a director, then of course it's a glorious addition. But just on its own, a writer is everything. We at Dharma Productions empower our writers all the time because we believe we are nothing without them. Literally, they form the structure, the soul, and the narrative of any feature film. So, in the world of content, I would say they're not kings and queens; they're beyond that. They're emperors. An empress.
Thank you. Put up.
Everything, and it's absolutely true. Writers are the soul of the film, and this film is written and directed by Nikhil Nagesh Bhatt. So there is a kill in Nikhil's name. So I think it was destined to make kill. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, Justin. Hi.
Towards here.
Yeah.
Today the conversation in the industry is that it's getting very difficult to mount a film because a big chunk of the cost is going to the entourage fees of the actors. It's burdening the production, and of course it's forcing other crew
I
members.
see Himesh Mankad in row 2 who's been writing about this, and producers are very happy with Himesh. Thank you.
And the entourage cost of actors is actually burdening production and forcing other members of the film to take pay cuts. And it's a conversation that's happening across the board. As a very important stakeholder in the functioning of the industry, how do you look at this practice?
Trust me, Justin, the entourage cost is the least of our problems. It's the main remuneration of the actor that has to be looked at again. And I feel that it's very critical for all the actors to understand exactly how the times are, how the climate of our movies are, how tough and difficult it is to maneuver through making a massive motion picture or a motion picture of any magnitude and size, because it's very difficult. Because you have so many costs, and then you have a P&A cost, and if the above the line cost, which is what comes from the actors, is not viable, then it becomes impossible to mount a film. So every single movie star today has to review what they are asking for, because many a time there will be certain producers that will pay that money because they want to make that film, but it will eventually really cause a lot of damage to the entire system and the ecosystem. So it is really truly not, they can take all the entourage they want. That is not the problem. While it is adding to our costs, it is not the real issue. The real issue is their mothership cost. So they have to look at that and say that there can be back-end deals, there can be percentages of profit, there can be slabs of box office as per performance-based remuneration. All that is possible, but every actor has to really look within, because a lot of them are not really in touch with reality.
Hi, this is Priyanka from Nikkei. This is Priyanka from Nikkei. Kill is one of those Dharma films which went to festival first, before of course coming back home. Recently, of course, we had All We Imagine as Light shown at Cannes. And festivals are the biggest platforms for independent cinema. But so many of the independent filmmakers complain that there's little support back home for them. In terms of how that the mainstream industry does not back their vision or those stories because they don't consider it viable. For someone like you who backed Kill, do you feel that there needs to be that kind of support from the mainstream industry producers, especially for independent filmmakers and stories?
And I think this year has proven that there is no such thing as parallel, independent, mainstream. Good films. You saw how wonderfully received Lapata Ladies was. It did a certain number theatrically, but then it went on to woo, the streaming audiences with the way it performed. Similarly, we had success way back then. A film like Lunchbox did over 20 crores NBOC at a time where it was unheard of for a film like that to do that number. We have supported Kill, which is a genre film, and we at Dharma really want to kind of work with all kinds of filmmakers and tell all kinds of stories. It just has to make sense when you do the math. You have to know that it has to add up, because all of us are also inherently, we're all artists, but we're also bound by the boundaries of commerce. So we have to make sure that we can find the beautiful balance between art and commerce. And when you do that, then all of us are willing to really promote and support all artists and their creative work.
I just wanted to add here that festival is festival is not just like, वहाँ पर film जाएगी and you do the recovery and come back. Festival is also the business of cinema, business of film worldwide. It happened with Lunchbox. We sold the whole world minus India. And literally in India, Lunchboxes worked because of Dharma, because of marketing, because of the positioning. We had a very wide release. This is 11 years ago. And we did 20 plus crores 11 years ago. With a film like Lunchbox, जिसमें मुझे कहा जाता था कि कोई गाने नहीं है, इसको कैसे release करोगे, कैसे promote करोगे. Everything was turned around because, the way Dharma promoted it, and I learned a lot in that process. Similarly, when we took Kill to Toronto, it literally played on day one. We picked up the audience also got. We sold the whole world. We have come here with a massive recovery. So we are sitting in a very good place. So festivals is not just, that piece of art that you do there. The best of the world goes to a festival. So in terms of action film to be selected in Toronto, वहीं पर ही मैंने rate देखी थी आज 10 साल पहले, to be able to premiere in that prestigious midnight section where the best in the सिर्फ 8 फिल्में select होती हैं पूरी दुनिया से. So, and then to have a day one premiere there. So we were the first film that, we were not the opening film, but we were day one of Toronto. And then we picked up the Audience Choice Award. And we sold out. There was a bidding war between 7 studios in the US. And Lionsgate picked up it was like and we have letters from distributors from Australia and everybody on how they wanted to bid, how they really wanted to bid for the film and how we should choose them. So that is the business of festivals, which also happens. And that is what we have experienced here with Kill, which we are so proud of. And we are able to carry the world.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Tariq.
Shout out to Mr. O who's with us here.
Very
We're
good.
so
Very
grateful.
good.
We're so grateful. Please join us on stage, sir. We'd love for you to be on
Raja.
stage with us, sir.
राजा सादब सादब वो ले क्या कवर लेके ले क्या हुआ चलो हो गया